How to log out of Vantage application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to log out or sign out of Vantage app, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open Vantage application on your device, and from the home screen, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you are done and you are inside this page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Now you'll see a logout button at the very bottom. Tap on it. Click on OK in the pop-up to confirm the logout, and that's it. You'll be logged out or signed out of your Vantage account super quick and easy. You can log back into your account whenever you want by entering your credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.